What's up, guys? It's kind of windy, so I'm gonna talk loud. I just found this sweet, rapid bottlenecks after it hits this rock into a nice pool. Oh yeah. As soon as that shadow creeps over here, we'll get after some fish. But in the meantime, let's talk about the Nismo Overlander build, phase 3, the camper phase. I'll go walking around before I fall on my face. Check it out. Pretty typical. Got your platform bed, foam, 0-degree sleeping bag, a couple pillows. It's like a hotel on wheels, man. Got my potty and this nice little camp chair I just kind of sit on and watch videos at night. Plenty of room to stretch out my legs. Got power in the back, clothes, fly rods, fly bag, and yeah, threw a bunch of nifty compartments for shoes and towels and stuff you need to grab kind of quick. And there's a flip-up job back there, but of course the drawer is the centerpiece. So let's check that out. Okay. Keep it pretty simple. I only come out for a night or two. Food for one, coffee for one. Of course, the good old Coleman, which gets to live there. Pull that out, do all my cooking and chilling. Yeah, it's tight. Way too windy out here to go into how and what I did. So I'll see you back at the garage. Pull it all apart and show you how I made it work. I just want to crawl in there and take a nap. Come on, fish. See you in a little bit. It's dinner time. So I got my gumbo happening. Got my coffee ready. And that's really it. What's up, guys? Finally made it back. It's a couple weeks later. Got home, turns out my arm could fall off at any minute, so they had to go in there and surgically repair that. So got that all zip tied together, and now I'm back in business. So this is the camper setup all naked, and I'm going to show you how I built these to where they just kind of lock in here in the grooves that are in the bed, and it's not even actually attached to the bed, it's just kind of locked in there. Same on this side. So I'm going to pull that apart and show you how I built it. Voila. Alright, so as you can see, it's really simple. Just ran these 1x6s to correspond with the dips in the side of the bed, and my upright goes right into this groove, and there just happens to be enough room for a 1/2-inch piece and then the 2 boards that I used as doors. You just kind of lock up into this channel and then lock down into that channel and slide back and forth, no problem. You can see my overspray from when I rhino lined it, which looks great. I'm really impressed with how that turned out. So that's definitely a successful experiment. I've never done that before. All right, let's pull this side out, show you what I got going on. No earthly idea how I'm going to get this out with one arm, so we're just going to stick the camera in there so you can see it. Alright, let's check out what we got going on in here. So I found that if you take a 2x12 and run it vertical, it's exactly perpendicular with these slots in the side of the bed where you run your 2x6s. So that just locks this sucker in there like nobody's business. And then this divider I have run in another channel down here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's pretty locked in there too. And then just a couple of pieces of scrap wood to create my channel for my drawer slide, and then another slide up here. Popped a couple of screws in there so that my little tray can fit in here without flying all the way to the back. And do some fly rods in here, and I made a little hatch so I can get into that storage space back there and the back of the drawer if I need to. So yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is. Like I said, man, that's not attached. It's just locked in there. It just doesn't want to go anywhere. I have to get in there and muscle it out, like lift and pull, and then it'll come right out. And it is on the heavy side. That's by design. So when I pull that drawer all the way out, my drawer can be loaded up, but it will not lift up on these. That's just too heavy. So it's all just dead solid, man. So this side's good. I'm just going to replace that drawer and use this as a stencil to make that out of some proper wood and get rid of all that flop and breakage. And hell, I'm going to call that done. So on to the next projects. I just brought these home, kind of hoping I can build 2 bikes with 1 arm. We'll see. Hundreds of videos on these things, but if you want to see what I'm doing, I'll probably videotape a little bit of it. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Cheers, guys. That's my fishing tree.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Please and thank you.
Good job. Make sure you bring it back with a full tank.
Okay.